Topic 1. Geopolitical tensions between Israel and Iran impacting U.S. gas prices and investor uncertainty. The military conflict between Israel and Iran has intensified, leading to increased gas prices and investor uncertainty in the U.S. Israel's attacks on Iranian nuclear and military facilities have resulted in ongoing missile strikes, heightening instability in the Middle East, a key region for global oil production. As a result, international oil prices have surged, with West Texas Intermediate WTI futures rising over 20% in June alone, likely driving up gasoline prices in the U.S. Experts warn that if the conflict escalates further, affecting oil transport routes or involving neighboring countries, prices could soar, potentially pushing U.S. gasoline prices above $5 per gallon and impacting the overall economy. Investors are facing heightened uncertainty as the U.S. considers military intervention in Iran, negatively affecting the stock market. Topic 2. Federal Reserve's decision to hold interest rates steady and potential rate cuts in July. President Donald Trump criticized Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, claiming that not lowering interest rates has cost the U.S. billions. The Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, decided to maintain interest rates in the range of 4.25%–4.5%, unchanged since December. Trump labeled Powell a fool and argued for a 2.5 percentage point cut. Fed official Christopher Waller supports a rate cut, suggesting that inflation is no longer a major economic threat and that a reduction could occur in July to prevent labor market slowdown. However, the FOMC unanimously decided to keep rates steady, leaving uncertainty about future cuts. While Trump insists rates should be lowered by at least 2 percentage points, Waller advocates for a gradual approach, with markets predicting a higher likelihood of cuts in September. Topic 3. Cybersecurity concerns with Aflac's reported cyberattack compromising personal data. Aflac has reported a cyberattack by a criminal group that may have compromised sensitive personal information, including customers' social security numbers and health data. The company detected suspicious activity and blocked the intrusion within hours, describing the attack as part of a broader cybercrime campaign targeting the insurance industry. Aflac is currently investigating the incident and has not yet determined the total number of affected individuals. The company warned that files containing personal information of customers, beneficiaries, and employees may be impacted and will offer 24 months of free credit monitoring and identity theft protection to victims. This incident highlights the increasing frequency of cyber attacks across various industries, not just insurance. Topic 4. Significant funding for UK nuclear project by Apollo and JP Chase's expansion into bond trading. Apollo, a major U.S. asset management firm, is set to provide $4.5 billion, £6 billion, in loans for the Hinkley Point nuclear power project in the UK. This investment will be one of the largest private capital contributions to a project of national interest in the UK. Hinkley Point C is the first nuclear power plant to be built in the UK in decades, facing multiple delays and budget increases. Apollo plans to offer an investment-grade unsecured debt financing package with an interest rate below 7%. Meanwhile, JP Chase is launching a new tool that allows investors to research and purchase bonds and brokered CDs through a mobile app. This initiative aims to strengthen the bank's leadership in online investment services, targeting investors who trade every few months. JP seeks to provide a seamless experience for customers to easily purchase fixed-income products, enhancing its competitiveness in asset management. The bank is encouraging customers to integrate their finances through existing accounts and credit cards to manage more assets. Topic 5. Trump administration's strategy to outpace China in AI development. The Trump administration is pursuing a